Hello there and welcome to the new video where I will show you how you can install the Pendulum library, which is used for the manipulation or working with the dates and times. And before I show you the installation, a quick information that related to the installation, you may run into a situation where you may need to uninstall a library or you may need to upgrade a particular library. Then those video links are also present in the description that you can utilize. Alright, so now let's start with the installation of Pendulum within this Jupyter notebook. So we will start with the exclamation sign and say pip install and the name of the library, which is Pendulum. Once you will enter this, you will see that it is basically running a processing. And just to make sure that when you are running this command, before running this command, make sure your internet is working, because what it does, it collects the library from online, and it basically then install the library accordingly. So it requires an internet connection to collect the library. Alright, so it is successfully installed, and now we can import the library Pendulum, and we can start using its relevant package, its relevant methods and function. Also, you can use, instead of, so whenever you need to use it, you may have to write the entire name like Pendulum dot and then its relevant functions and methods. Instead, what you can do is, instead of writing this entire name, you can mention that PU, let's say, or PL, for example. This is nothing but the alias. That way you don't have to write this entire name, but simply write PL dot and you can still access all the different methods and properties. So that's quickly I wanted to just show you so that you can utilize the Pendulum library effectively without writing the entire name of the library. So that's about it, and I'll meet you in the next video with a new topic.